The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
See, go second leg where Betway Premiership, but see kicker over again now with CAF Champions League. Kumuli Sundowns, even though it's at 14 with Betway, but mathematically, we suppose to go to January, scala second leg with Betway Premiership, but Kumula before AFCON. Basically, CAF Champions League, the games as you took with group stages. Sundowns now kicker off again, quick group yabo, match day number 3. Bedlala again, nabo pa Al Hilal yase Sudan. Babambene ke pa group C, 5 points apiece. There's also La Lupopo yakumula le yenza indaba. Ilupopo yasha 3 la, yeah. So na ika group ye Sundowns.
Game emnandi bekuyi-final before the final.
But ke namhlanje Loftus besibukela Sundowns Al Hilal top of the table clash. Sundowns throwing it home 2-2. In a game where ubonile ukuthi iqale yakora Al Hilal yabuyisa Sundowns wagqema ukwena second half with a scorcher of a goal. Probably goal of the tournament, but sizawubona asekhona contender, yes. But lapse of concentration. Yeah, equalizer again Al Hilal. There was a red card later on in the game towards the end of the second half. But Sundowns 2, Al Hilal 2. Junior, mandibulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Shane Maprada kunjani?
I'm okay.
Yeah, ngibulise wena ngibulise Nkululeko Maprada. Ngibulise lengwenye yethu Justice Benedict Sofila kazobubuzini. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, igame enamagoli bathi mnandi mfethu. Yeah, igame enamagoli emnandi. Game enamagoli mnandi. Shena sikhuluma nje ngegame yonke.
Yeah.
Sundowns how they started. I was wondering mina. Yabo body language. Gimbe kuna this thing yokuthi coach, I don't think ama players they still want to play for him. When I look at the body language of the players, ngikhuluma nga first half,
yeah.
The body language, and as a coach, definitely Shoma was media kune circulation ukuthi Pitso Msimango is in the house. Psychologically zokushaya, you lose interest as a coach. But now ke ngikhulumela based on mangibona body language ama player we Sundowns. Asikhulume nge first half.
Yeah.
How they started the game is Sundowns. Ngibone 2 wing back with Sundowns approaching the game. Every time starting points abo baseyafina ama opponent. Now lento le force ku Sundowns they need to play this long ball. Diagonal lama long balls bawadlala ema side in, they find this boy Osbia on the other side bathola lo mchithi umdawo.
Yeah.
And then bafuna ukulibuyisa lapha phakathi uAlende Nuno Santos. Sundowns this wing forward which is Matthews and also Sales, they came inside. Baba compact la. The team they value pace. I think back four yabo. This is a Champions League team. Back four, value pace very near to each other. Tactically very disciplined, especially I'm talking at the back.
Yeah.
You understand? And value pace lie in the middle. Whereby the 3 in the middle, la baba lie in the middle. The value pace make it very difficult for Sundowns. Cause now Nuno Santos came here, Sales come here now, and then they said if Alende is there, Mkwena is there. Sundowns, they were forced to go wide. Okay, sharp, you can give SBI Paula, now SBI need to cross. And also, but Badalanga 3 center back, Manga checker. Lengwenya lezi zi3 le 1 le ezidlala la midlile goes and join labantu abayi3 laba bayi2 lama kuba yi3 center back. Now there was no movement much from this guy Umtiba. When you sign players, I need to sign players according to your philosophy. I mean, I was wondering when Sundowns signed Umtiba. With Sundowns, how they play. Is he going to fit in the style of play of Sundowns? Because sometimes I'm thinking to be a target man. One of my coaches that they believe in certain type of strikers. Mobility, strikers mobile, a striker that is sitting there. When I see him, bengamnidi umuntu njengomthiba whereby he come and go there and sit with these 3 center back. Now bengana movement. When you check Sundowns that side they were going wide because Mthiba was sitting there with these 3 center back. And then now we have a pack in the middle. These guys Bavali base in the midfield. So forcing Sundowns to go wide, playing these crosses so much. My crosses are my name. I think this team they say thank you. But this team came with a plan. 1, tactical discipline. Bavali Pays, njoba ngisho, they leave 3 up front, which is then when you number 7, number 8, if not mistaken, 34. Very speedy players. they complement one another, interchange of runs, dangerous players. Manga check on goal number 1 labo. I think very disappointing how Krenketa and Alapa Banu Kipidu.
Sundowns defense would have done better. That's
Yes, angeke niye niyithula apha nitshekile lana. You guys anikwazi ukucheckila, if one goes one must stay. So ngibona bayithula phansi committee. This boy, because of lapse of lamfana akana experience. It doesn't have experience for such tournament. A very good player, but the tournament ngoba lamfana ufake this guy on. This guy number 8, the one who scored 2 goals, is uvelo men's over on. Because the boy who was Sala, Krenkekanu pusher, they tackle him and keep it over pressure upon. This boy was told to say like one. He was late, good first touch, good finish on left. I think Manga check and feti composure that guy. Now the well sharing a conic ball go first pole. Also on the roof, well done to the guy. And Sundowns now say they pretended as if they wanted to score. Yes, they did get the goal, but Manga check goal it's a very special goal. But Nuno Santos game masking cool man game yonke him and Lumchitu Sales badlala ngama moment masikhuluma nje first half mangithi kuwe they reacted after goal is sometimes considered but reactile. It's not to say that beautiful first half. I'm talking about him, Marcelo, this guy Santos, and also Usales. Good goal, but after that, Sundowns after getting the goal, Sundowns they did exactly the same thing. Too many passes.
You think they lost concentration after Bekorile? You thought Mtlambi, and now you thought Mtlambi, but okay, we don't think these guys can do anything more than Ledebayeza. Because if you saw, even Al Hilal, they were not attacking Sundowns much. They started attacking Sundowns every time when Sundowns scored. Not every time. When Sundowns took the lead, that's when you saw Al Hilal now starting to push in numbers forward. And a couple of moments you saw Sundowns now, Ibamba Al Hilal and a counter because they was trying to look for a lap ball. You think Sundowns they lose the concentration back?
I can't say it's concentration from me. Every time these guys they go forward, it looks like they're gonna score, get a goal. Because these two wing back starting points are, you can't go both of you. They are going on the right hand side, and also these boys we are going there. Starting point in self in my opponent. Now technically at the back, there will be less of concentration now. Now Nuno Santos and Allende, they will never track back. They will never do that. You will get exposed. This guy by the shade 3 speedy players. So in fact, angeke travel nepola. So ukuphendula nje Shane. I can't say it's lapse of concentration. Tactical how the coach are projecting ngakhona le game. Now the way bekafuna team yakhe idlale ngama instruction. I think they were playing ngama instruction. The whole game, ngikhuluma na second half, it didn't change. You understand? He push starting point ngikhuluma goal kick. Every time Ronan scored the ball, you need to look to this guy's beer. Matthews come inside, Salas come inside, Mela told him down. I don't understand how coach this is Champions League Betway Premiership. I think coach told it wrong. There's certain players that bengeke khona banike space. Njengale ngwenyu number 8, lengwenyu number 7 lebe makomdawo. A very dangerous place. Just let umdawo ngespeed bekayimesha. But it's dangerous. Boyibona ukuthi if ithola umuntu engathi akahlambulukanga bekhona into engayenza. So now these guys bekuthi Sundowns equalize Sundowns. Very bebazokora because now Sundowns bebambi Sundowns ngama counter attacks and now told with they're outnumbered at the back and then these guys they finish.
Tell me Junior, besibukela swabini Champions League Sundowns, their Champions League run last season where they went all the way to the final. You saw how Sundowns played under coach Cardoso. Sundowns yayibona ukuthi siqale njani kule Champions League, match day number 3. As compared to Sundowns ya last season, nale Sundowns ya last season in Champions League. Ukhona umehluko sawubona?
Mikel Cardoso mfethu, let me be honest to you man. Man, it's Sundowns slowly but surely. It's Sundowns mina, Sundowns slowly but surely. Nala last season, Shane for me, a totally different team mfethu. Yabo.
What would you say it different?
Sundowns lega Cardoso, a totally different team.
Last season, like
Mikel Cardoso
was there last season.
Yes.
He's there this season. So I was just asking.
As I'm saying, Sundowns was climbing like they are down. It was no longer Sundowns like a Rulani Sibonile with Champions League. Nkulumanga last year, it was not the same Sundowns. Then you 3 years, 4 years ago. Layer this year is going more down. You understand? You're playing home. In today's game, I'm not too sure. Coach how the way tactically team he can't find it right, and there are players. I'm a players the way coach coach. I don't think they want to play for him. You understand? Among parents in the language how they concede goals. I mean, nale bola leli little correlling when you second goal. I'm not too sure. But being a boxing, marker zonal. This guy go to Koragan the bola rebound. He gift him fitting, but so I'm not too sure which players they still want to play for the coach. So it seems slowly. Yeah. The team laying Ibugeli Sundowns 4 years ago. I finally last season. There this year is more worse to me because slowly Badu's an identity. Corner identity identity. Sundowns how they play. Irrespective of Sundowns, it's more of the passing game, a ball rotation, but going to purpose. They break you more central. They vary their game. Go sideways, they go. But Mawia sideways, but break it apart. We know identity sometimes they will break you here inside. Lot of movement also, creativity in Kulmangala center. But now they so predictable. They want coach as Gosho. He want these 2 wing forward to go. Even Nangali came in Modele Obit. He got it right, yes, Sashai Santla. But the Obit, I think it's that they were so poor in all elements. Obit. Now they were tested. Now the coach was really tested. His players and himself. As answer. So sometimes today, Shane, honestly, they deserve this team. Yes, they got it raw, but they deserve to win it. It 1-1. This team they didn't come here to defend. They were playing. Will be so tactically disciplined. But also, we believe that we can beat Sundowns because they had, from the first whistle, they came here. The Sundowns can counter attack.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis, my brother. We're going to go to Sundowns. The CAF Champions League match day number 3. Sundowns are on 5 points. Now you get second place, the Al Hilal. But they're going 2-2 at Loftus Stadium. Mdlalum Khulu we CAF Champions League. We like CAF Champions League. So there's a Betway Premiership game. Orlando Pirates is a Visa Epolukano again as a Kukune. On Sunday, Kaizer Chiefs is Zambia. Now you're like a CAF Confederations Cup. You may be in the Midlands on Petela up again with Diski TV. I'm charging Sundowns 2, Al Hilal 2. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
All about Fetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villaraz, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.